Hi, I'm Tim Tyler, and this is an image stabilisation test for my new Veho Kuzo camcorder. So, I'm going to focus in on an object in the distance with full zoom. And this is the image without image stabilisation on. And I'm going to disturb the camcorder. You're first of all seeing the image vibrating according to my hand, and then this is with some image disturbance. And this is recorded at 7020p because that's the highest that the camcorder can manage whilst doing the image stabilisation. And then I'm going to cut because the camcorder won't let me change to image stabilisation mode while I'm recording a video. And then here is the same image with image stabilisation turned on. And again, I'm going to apply some mechanical disturbance to the camera. So that's my image test stabilisation video. Enjoy.